If you replace the battery in a Porsche Panamera and don't reset the battery management system, you can get warning messages or charging issues. I tried resetting with the scanner I had, it completely failed. Welcome again, guys. Today we're gonna work on my Porsche Panamera 970, which is a Porsche Panamera Turbo 2013. Yesterday I tried to reset the battery and it completely failed. But today I found a tool that worked like champ. I searched through all the service functions on my AnyScan A30M, but there was no battery registration for the Porsche. After doing some research, I found out that the IcarSoft CR Max had the battery registration for the Porsche, so I ended up ordering that at Amazon. I'm gonna post the link down here. Key is on, the car is not running. Now we're gonna go in here, go service, BMS. Okay, so let's do all Porsche. There you go. Initializing. Be sure to tighten this here because you don't want this to screw up halfway through. Okay. Panamera 970. The ignition is on. Okay, pop the trunk. Battery's back here. I cannot. No, I can't. Okay. Oof. Okay, I'll try to Google this battery so I don't need to take it out of here. Alright, let's try to do this together. So battery change, okay. Here I'm gonna choose PB, which is the only one. This battery is not an AGM. For the manufacturer, I'm gonna use reserved one. It's gonna ask for a serial number, 10 to 12 numbers random. Alright, now we are gonna go okay. Battery part number. Okay, I'm gonna try from 1 through 0 and then one more in the end, and then I'm gonna press OK and application complete. Battery is registered. Now it says turn the ignition off. Easy. I'm gonna turn the key, see if it changed. Let's see. While I had the scanner connected, I decided to reset the oil service reminder, and I did, and you're gonna see right now. Okay, so again on these special functions, I'm gonna do oil reset. Again, we're gonna do here Porsche vehicle select. Let's do the same thing. Mine is a 970, which is up to 2017. Yep, ignition is on, and then boom, application complete. I'm gonna do okay. There you go. Just building. Beautiful. So the IcarSoft Max works perfectly on the Porsche Panamera. It works on the Dodge Ram. So this scanner, just like the ones I have in the garage, is going to clear the oil light, scan your car. Although the ones I have in the garage do not scan the Panamera. This IcarSoft Max, I'm going to put the link down here. It's going to scan all my cars. I can scan friends' cars. I can reset the battery, which I didn't have before. I can do stuff with the injectors that I have no idea why I need yet. Bleed brakes, that's a very good thing. So, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. There's a ton of stuff coming up on the Porsche, on the Supra that's in the garage. This truck here sometimes gives me trouble, so I get some videos here and there. And I love you all.